Replacement caps for SodaStream carbonating bottles. Hermetically sealed caps retain carbonation longer. Color match to your soda bottles. Includes 2 caps. Eliminates waste from disposable bottles and cans. Keep your SodaStream beverages fresh and fizzy with a new set of bottle caps. These hermetically sealed caps maintain carbonation longer, and new caps will extend the life of your bottles. Fits both 1.5 liter bottles. Match cap colors with bottles. Top reviews from the United States. Great caps. I've been using my SodaStream for over a year, and I love it. The thing that surprises me is how well I'm able to keep the carbonation. It lasts easily for 48 hours when kept refrigerated in the SodaStream bottles. Recently, I headed back to the office, so I packed my lunch, to include some SodaStream water. I got the smaller bottles, which didn't come with the SodaStream, and the bottles I ordered didn't come with caps. So I ordered these. You could always rotate caps among the various bottles you have to save some money. On the other hand, you may lose a cap or two as you transport them around. But when you do need more caps, these will work to seal in your precious bubbles.